everyone, it's Mel from Sweeney Hire, and Jill has been very naughty behind the camera here. So firstly, another Wacker Neuson video. This time we're going to show you how to put it onto the tipper trailer and how to strap it down and all of that. Again, we're doing a competition with Beacon Equipment and Wacker Neuson, so you guys can win some goodies. If I get them, by the time I edit this video, there will be a picture here of what you can win. But basically there's hoodies, there's t-shirts, there's beanies, I think there's a speaker and a huge sports bag. And the question for this video, because I've been thinking now, is what would you use a mini loader and a tipper trailer for? What project would you use this for? Let us know in the comments. And like I said, we'll combine everyone's entries as long as they've done the 3 entry points. We'll put you guys into a big spinny wheel, and there'll be first and second prizes at the end of this series. So let us know in the comments below, and then we'll get into this video. So instead of starting with the machine, we're going to be starting with the trailer. So you need to open up the back end. There is another video on this trailer, but for at least the loading part, we need to show you everything. So take off this guy. Put that down. Then take out the ramps, which are conveniently underneath. And what you then do is measure where the tires are, so that's why it's good to have the machine pretty close. And then you just sit them here. You just can't sit them on top of that. Oh, I parked the machine too close. There's the machine. Blooper reel. That's down, so that looks pretty good. You can drive it up or reverse it up. Personally, I prefer reversing. Get onto the machine, and you can, if you want to, you can walk it up. But for this one, I'm going to stand on it, seeing as I walked it off on the last video. So just take your time with this when you're on the ramps, because it's very responsive. So you need to be smooth, because you don't want to fall off. It's a little bit taller than some of our other trailers. kind of want it to be over the axles. And yeah, even after how many years have we had this trailer, Tommy? This trailer? 3 years, 4 years?
4 years probably.
I still hate loading stuff onto this trailer. So to strap it down in the corners, you've got your hooks. And again, we're going to do the 4-point contact up to here. You can go to here or to here. So actually, I need to lengthen that one. Just release that. There's not enough space. Seem to be getting caught with all the technical stuff today when we're under time pressure, because the climb for this machine is going to rock up in like 5 minutes. We just need to take the pressure off it a little bit. Push it through. Loosen it off. Make sure it's straight going back on. Closing your shackle. And what we'll actually do, because it will basically be the same on the other side, is I'll strap that end, because it's just the same on the other side, and then I'll put away the ramps and put up the door, and then I can strap the other side off camera. And if I need to move it, I'm not unstrapping it. Definitely not going to be a problem this time. Then this one actually needs to be shortened a little bit. So again, loosen it, take it off, tighten it a little bit. But you need to have a little bit of space, because if you go too short, you might not have enough room to then loosen it off after for the kind. So there we go. And then we'll just put these away and I'll do the other bit after. So reverse of what we've just done. Comes up, and you can kind of rest it on your thigh and then slide it in. So that is basically how you load and strap down a dingo on the tipper trailer. It would be exactly the same strapping for the bobcat and the posi track, the mini digger, the mini dumper. Just the excavator we'd need to do another video on because we've got those extra buckets. So thanks for watching. Make sure to comment down below on what you would use this for, what project would you see yourself using this for, and you could win some goodies. And make sure you subscribe to both ourselves and to Beacon Equipment, and we'll catch you in the next video. Cheers!